Hello everyone. Today we are making a simple and beautiful macrame Christmas coaster using just a few material. You don't need any advanced macrame skill or many of tools. To make this 4-inch cute coaster, you will need 3 threads, each about 13 feet long. You can use 1, 2 or even 3 colors. I am using 1 red and 2 green to give that Christmas vibe. Sharp scissor and glue. I am using all fix, but feel free to use hot glue, Araldite or any glue you are comfortable with. First fold each thread in half and hang them on a thin thread or string. This will hold them in a place while you braid and you can easily remove it later. Once you have got your threads secured, start braiding them. Make sure braid is tight and even all the way to the end. Take your time with this step and neat braid will give you the best result. Once your braid is complete, trim the ends neatly with your scissors. Apply the glue right away to prevent ends from fraying. Once the glue sets, carefully remove the thin thread from the top of the braid that held your braid in place. And apply a glue to secure the starting point. This will make sure the braid stays intact and doesn't unravel. Now it's time to make the coaster. Start from the end of the braid. Apply a small amount of the glue on one side and begin rolling it into a tight spiral. Work in small sections, adding glue as you go. The braid should be tight but not too tight. Make sure the glue holds everything together without oozing out, as excess glue can spoil the clean finished look of your coaster. When you reach the end, glue it securely in place, holding it for about 2 minutes to make sure it sticks well. Once it's done, leave your coaster to set for about 5-6 hours or according to the instruction on your glue. And there you have it, a beautiful Christmas 4-inch macrame coaster. It's so easy to make, require minimal tools and looks amazing as a part of your holiday decor. I hope you loved this easy Christmas craft. If you give it a try, let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more festive DIYs and craft ideas. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.